Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly, this high is not broken, so it is a trend reversal. So let's get back to daily chart. In daily, we are already in a downtrend, so new low is created. But yesterday on 14th of October, we have this rejection candle. So we'll go long now, maybe until the EMA. So let's get back to 4 hour. 4 hour, we already have some kind of engulfing candle, as you have seen in the Euro USD as well, but the new low is created, which means we might just come down after this pullback. So your entry will be short if you see the rejection from the EMA, or even without the rejection, if you see any engulfing red candle, then you go short, or you can go long if this high is broken in 4 hour. Okay, so if the blue candle closes above this previous high in the coming time, or above the EMA, then that's your bullish, or that's the trend reversal in short term. Okay, so as per daily chart, as you can see, it's a rejection. Buyers came into the market yesterday on 14th of October. So we have the bullish signal from daily chart, and again 4 hour, I would say either you trade daily chart. Even in the daily, if you go by the textbook, then you are not supposed to take longs because the price is below the EMA in daily chart as well as in 4 hour. So if the price is in if the price is in the same direction in 2 time frames, such as weekly or daily or 4 hour, then you only trade in the direction of the trend. So here we have the price below the daily, below the EMA in daily, and below the EMA in 4 hour as well, which means we only need to look for shorts. Okay, so your entry will come from 4 hour. Look for shorts after the pullback with the red engulfing candle. That's GBPUSD for you. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, and join this free Telegram for sure, and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.